Today we are going to do a repair on a Mercedes remote control. The battery is low, it doesn't work sometimes. So what we need to do is take your blade, and this is your key. You do not need to take this particular manual key off to take off the battery, but if you want to, you could. So this is how you take it off. Press this button, keep holding it, and then pull out the manual key. Keep it aside. So there is the key. Turn it over and just put on your something sharp or thin metal thing and pull it out. And this is how it goes. So this particular portion, this particular points, they go here, and then there's this clip which goes over here. All right. So to take off this battery, it's a Panasonic CR2025. So just press it here and then turn over the remote. It will pop out. And I have got a few batteries here. I have already opened this battery, so take this battery off. Yeah, it's the same 2025, and it doesn't matter which brand it is as long as it works. So what you need to do now is, this is the positive and that's the negative. So the negative goes up where the written part goes on the top. Press it down, take it back. So this thing goes here, and then this part, before you press, I would suggest you press it down slightly, push it kind of, and press it. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and the battery is replaced, and please subscribe. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.